Hey, did you know a 27-year-old cancer research scientist had a major meltdown?
Sicko. What did she do?
She poisoned her lab mates' drinking water with paraformaldehyde.
Creepy. Why did she do it?
She said she was dizzy, sleepless, and couldn't control her actions. She was under stress and allegedly sought psychiatric treatment.
Where does she work?
She was at Stanford, as a postgraduate research scientist.
I remember Stanford. That is where Dr. Philip Zimbardo worked for his Stanford prison experiment.
Yeah, right. Dr. Zimbardo wrote The Lucifer Effect on how power corrupts and converts people into evil characters.
Was she jealous of her coworkers' success and harmed them?
She denied it. She said she meant them no harm.
Was she delusional about the use of poison?
According to her confession, she committed the act of poisoning 2 water bottles, but insisted she meant no harm to others.
Those are contradictory statements. She sounds like she is trying to wriggle out of serious charges.
She expects to plead not guilty, by reason of insanity.
Does it mean she will escape free of punishment?
The judge in the California court will decide if she was insane at the time her harmful acts were committed.
Where is she now?
She is breathing freely under the California sky. Her mother bailed her out.
Will she be returning to do research work in her lab?
No, her campus has booted her out for now. Her sponsors will decide on the fate of her scholarship after the court passes judgment.
Why did she snap?
Those who knew her attributed it to stress. You know, my uncle used to say, students who can't manage should quit before they self-destruct.
How does your uncle know about these sick people lurking in society?
His nephew faked illness and then asked to convalescence in his home. Then nephew guy asked his uncle to do his lab research work for him.
Fraud. That's cheating.
My uncle refused to cheat for him and instead told his nephew to pack up and go home back to his mommy.
Wow. That was really telling him.
I believe that was the correct thing to do. Behaviors are responses from biological, determined factors and learned behaviors. It's in Vandenbos, Meidenbau and Frank McNeil book. If a person learns she can escape with bad behaviors, she is likely to take advantage of this and repeat the same behavior. We'll wait for the court's judgment.